Dave came to me with a picture and he said, "I want to build you one of these homes someday." And I looked at him and I laughed.
It was dreaming, and then
all of a sudden, 7 years later, he was like, "Hey, let's build this house." And I was like, "Oh, okay."
It gave us something to work towards.
I love that it's our home. I love that it feels like home. That it feels like a homey barn.
It took a year and a couple months
Yeah.
before we were moved in. And that's from breaking ground, virgin ground, to moving our stuff in. And it was an enclosed structure before winter of that year.
Because that was our big push, was to get everything up and enclosed before winter hit so we could work on the inside over the winter, because we knew that we could do that part at least. So I run a leatherwork business. We started the adoption process and we knew that we needed a little extra push on creating funds. And so prayed about it and figured that I have some talents. I started doing beadwork, and then it kind of morphed into leatherwork and beadwork, and now it's mostly leatherwork. But I really enjoy it. It's kind of keeping one of those Old West traditions alive, one of those fun, creative maker kind of things that not everybody gets to do. It works really well in our house because our house kind of has like a West vibe, an Old West vibe, so it's fun. Yeah, it's just great. We love it.
We've got 9 horses currently. We've got a couple.
No, we have 7.5. We have a pony. She doesn't count.
They're fluctuating. We've got a couple horses in for training right now. But then we've got our own herd as well that as the kids grow up, we're looking for them to hopefully enjoy something that we grew up loving.
Yeah. Like, this is our home and we got to do it ourselves. Like, I'm not gonna pretend that we're pioneers and we sawed all the logs ourselves and did all the finicky things, but I think modernly we got about as close as you can to doing that and really investing in your own home.
So you'd say this is your forever home?
That's our plan. Lord
Absolutely.
willing, as long as God keeps us here, we're here.